Hello children, today in session 3 of chapter 9 perimeter and area, let we learn perimeter of a square. Now what is square? Square again is a plane figure where all four sides are equal. Here if I name A, B, C, D, then this A, B, C, D is a square. Here we find AB is equals to BC is equals to CD and it is equals to AD. Here in a square we find all four sides equal to one another. It has four equal sides. Then how to find perimeter of a square? So we know perimeter, it is sum of all four sides. So here perimeter of a square equals to perimeter of a square is equals to, it is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, which is equals to, here if these sides are denoted by L, then this is L plus L plus L plus it is L, which is equals to 4 into L, or we write 4L units. This is formula to find perimeter of a square. Now here let me go to exercise 9.2. So every square has two dimensions, length into length. Then let me go to exercise 9.2. So here first main question what it says, answer orally. First question, answer orally. So here first question is, mention the two dimensions, mention the two dimensions of a square. So here two dimensions of a square are length and length. So here answer is the two dimensions of a square are length and length. Length and length. Second one, how many equal sides are there in a square? So in a square, how many equal sides we have? We have four equal sides. So there are, here answer is, there are four equal sides in a square. Third question, how many times is the perimeter of a square to its length, to its length. So let me write answer here. This is second answer. Let me write here answer 3. So here perimeter of a square is 4 times its length. Perimeter of a square is 4 times its length. Then fourth question is, what is the perimeter of a square of length 5 centimeters. So here answer, perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into 5. It is 20 centimeters. This is oral question, so no need to write here formula. Then let me go to second main question. Second main question, here some objects from our day-to-day life are given. We should find perimeter of those objects. Second main question here, find the perimeter of the following pictures. Here 4 different pictures are given, 5 are given. We'll do only 3 and remaining 2 you have to do. So A question, here A question, one CD cover is given. CD cover which is in square form. CD is of songs, therefore it is written top solids. So here this CD cover is of 14 centimeters. Then here perimeter of a square is equals to 4L, which is equals to 4 into, it is 14 4 is the 56 centimeters. Then second figure, one frame of a very nice picture of butterfly. It is given. So its side is 50 centimeter. Here the side of this square is 50 centimeter. Then we should find perimeter of square is equals to formula, right, 4 into L. This is 4 into 50. So 4 5 that is 20. So 4 50 that is 200 centimeters. So perimeter of a frame is 200 centimeters. Then still one, let me do here D question. D, Here one scenery, again a frame of a scenery is given and its sides are 45 centimeters. Then here perimeter of a square is 4L or 4 into side. You can write 4 into side or 4L. L is the side here. So this is 4 into 45. So here 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 it is 18, 180 centimeters. So here three perimeters did for you, remaining 2 you have to try. Now let me go to third main question. Again here third main question, 10 different questions are given. Here we will do 5 and 5 you have to do. Third main question, I am not copying question here. Lengths of the squares are given in the following table. Find their perimeters. So here every alternate question I will solve. Here length of a side is given. Then we have to find perimeter of a square. So in that first one, here length is given 3 centimeters. Therefore perimeter of a square is 4L, which is equals to 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 4L, 4 into 3 it is 12 centimeters. Then third one, here L is given 11 centimeters. So here again perimeter of a square is 4L, which is equals to 4 into 11. 4 into 11, 11 4s are 44 centimeters. Then fifth question here, it is 25 centimeter. Here L is given 25 centimeters. Then here perimeter is 4L, which is equals to 4 into L is 25. Now 25 4s are, it is 100 centimeters. Then seventh question here, L is given 41 centimeters. So here perimeter 4L, which is equals to 4 into 41. 4 into 41, this is 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16, 164 centimeters. Then ninth question is, here L is 63 centimeters. So here perimeter of a square is 4 into L, which is equals to 4 into 63. So here 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 4s are 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. So it is 252 centimeters. Here multiplication you didn't understood, then multiply and find 63 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 it is 25. So here answer is 252 centimeters. Then let me go to fourth main question. Fourth main question, solve the following. Here some statement sums are given. We have to understand those statement sums. We should find whether we have to find perimeter of rectangle or perimeter of a square. If it is perimeter of a square, then we should apply formula for perimeter of a square. So here first question is the length of a square. The length of a square room is 15 meter. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. So here answer. What is L? L is 15 meter. Then perimeter of square room is equals to 4L or 4 into side. So this is 4 into 15. 15 4s are 60 meters. Here unit is meter, 15 meter. Then in answer you should write 60 meter. Second question. Rama runs 4 times around a square park. Of length 85 meter. What is the total distance he covered? What is the total distance he covers? So here first let me find one perimeter, then again multiplied by 4. So we will find total distance covered. So here length is given 85 meters. So here perimeter of a square park is 4L, which is equals to 4 into 85. So here 4 5s are 20, carry 2. 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 2, it is 34. So totally it is 340 meters. Now this 340 meters is distance covered in one time. So here distance covered in one time is 340 meters. So here therefore distance covered in 4 times. If here Rama he runs 4 times around the square garden, then 4 into 340 we should do. 4 into 340, which is equals to 340 into 4. So here 4 zeros are 0, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 it is 13. So here answer is 1360 meters. This understood? If it is in kilometer, then we write 1 kilometer 360 centimeters. Okay, then let me go to third main question, the last question. Third question. The length of a square. The length of a square room is 16 meters. The walls of the room should be tied with colored buntings 4 times. Find the total length of bunting required. So here one square room, it has the length 16 meter. 16 meter length, one square room is there. Its walls should be decorated with bunting and it is decorated 4 times. So first we should find one perimeter, and whatever perimeter we get, again multiply that perimeter by 4. Then we should find a total length of that bunting wire required. So here length of a room, it is given 16 meter. Therefore perimeter of a room is equals to, it is 4L, which is equals to 4 into 16. Now 16 4s are 64 meters. So here for one round decoration for one time we require 64 meter. Then for 4 times, what is total length, that we should find. So here length of bunting required for one round, for one time, it is 64 meter. Then therefore length of bunting required for 4 times equals to, it is 4 into 64. 4 into 64, 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 6s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So here 256 centimeters of bunting wire is required to decorate one room. Now here we completed perimeter of a square. Next is area of a rectangle. So here area of rectangle. Suppose here one rectangle is given whose length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Then we want to find its area. Okay, so here 1 centimeter squares are found. Then here length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. So how many squares you find here in this rectangle? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here area of this rectangle is 12 square centimeter, isn't it? Here if you count the centimeter square, how many centimeter square you find here? 12. So here area of this rectangle is 12 square centimeter, or you can write area of rectangle equals to 4 into 3. If you multiply length and breadth, you are getting 12 square centimeters, isn't it? So here what we did, how we got to 12? It is length and breadth. Therefore formula is area of a square, area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle is length into breadth, length into breadth, this is square units. Here whatever unit we get, centimeter, meter, we write a square unit. This understood? Then let me go to exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3, what it says, exercise 9.3. So here first answer the following. Answer the following. Where first question is what is the unit of area? So unit of area is, the unit of area is square unit. Square unit. Second question, what is the space within the boundary of a plane figure called So here this is the boundary, then this area, this space is called area of the figure, area of the plane figure. So here the space within the answer here, the space within the boundary of a plane figure is called area. Then third question is, what is the area of a unit square? What is the area of a unit square? Here we are learning rectangle. Square will come next. So here what is the area of rectangle should come. Don't write square here, make it rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? So here we should write a formula. So here the area of rectangle is length into breadth square units. And here we are completing session 3. So remaining exercise 9.3 we will continue in our next session. Till then, thank you children.